Hi students, and now we'll discuss about a small topic, that is wave equation for good conductor. Now we'll discuss wave equation for good conductor, and here for this we need again the Maxwell equations for good conductor point of view. In case of good conductor, the Maxwell equations can be written as del dot d bar equal to 0, del cross E bar equal to minus dou B bar by dou T, del cross H bar equal to J bar plus dou D bar by dou T, del dot B bar equal to 0. These are the four Maxwell equations in case of good conductor point of view. Now I am assuming these equations as equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the four equations I am assuming here. Now I am considering equation 2. Yes, now consider equation 2. From equation 2, I have del cross E bar equal to minus dou B bar by dou T. Now I am applying curl on both sides. Apply curl on both sides. Curl on both sides. So by applying curl, del cross E bar equal to del cross minus dou B bar by dou T. Here for this one, for this equation, I have applied curl on both sides. And here, according to vector identity, this can be expressed as del cross E bar equal to del dot E bar minus del square E bar. Now I am substituting this value in this equation. So by substituting that, del dot E bar equal minus del square E bar equal to del cross minus dou B bar by dou T. And again, according to vector identity, this value will be 0. Then I am having here only minus del square E bar equal to del cross minus dou B bar by dou T. Now I am cancelling these minus on both sides. Then I am having here del square E bar equal to del cross dou B bar by dou T. Now we know that B bar can be written as mu naught H bar. So by substituting that value, del square E bar equal to del cross dou mu naught H bar by dou T. Within the brackets, since B bar equal to mu naught H bar, and what is del square E bar is equal to, I am writing this one as mu naught into dou by dou T into del cross H bar. Now from equation 3, I have del cross H bar equal to J bar plus dou D bar by dou T. Now I am substituting this value here. Here I am substituting. Then del square E bar equal to mu naught into dou by dou T into J bar plus dou D bar by dou T. Next, now del square E bar equal to mu naught into dou by dou t into j bar plus dou square by dou t square into d bar. And now here I am having two substitutions. Del square E bar is equal to mu naught into dou by dou t. Here the value of j bar can be written as sigma E bar plus dou square by dou t square into d bar can be written as epsilon naught E bar within the bracket, since j bar equal to sigma E bar and d bar equal to epsilon naught E bar. Those are the two substitutions I am making, and with those two substitutions, del square E bar equal to mu naught into, and at the same time I am writing here dou by dou t can be written as j omega sigma E bar plus j omega whole square epsilon naught E bar. That is, since dou by dou t equal to j omega, and that is del square E bar equal to, I am taking some common terms here. What we have, j omega, and at the same time having E bar also common term. Mu naught already existed here, so j omega sigma plus j omega epsilon naught. Then this can be rewritten as del square E bar equal to gamma square E bar. It is the wave equation for good conductor. Here gamma square equal to j omega mu into sigma plus j omega epsilon. The generalized expression will be seems like this, and by substituting this value, and here we can also do the same process with the help of equation 3 also. We can perform equation 3 also.